Vittu, come on, vittu.
Onks toi vittu konki, Mika? No vittu, kun nyt käyntiin.
No, mutta pois täältä. Aika helppo oli vittu. Aika helppo. Tää tuli ihan ilmaisesti.
Voit sä tätä?
Lotto.
Vittu, aika vitun kaamista juttu. Mä ajattelin, että on joku palaa tai jotain.
No älä vielä.
Mikä ääni oli? Mitäs hyppy on?
Ei ole mikään ääni.
Vittu kyllä! Oho. Ja ei mitään ylimääräisiä, kuuluuks mitään? Tik 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 tik.
No ei vittu, jos ei sitä yhtä veevilasta, mikä tässä kurkkaan.
Oli aika hyvä.
Just casually making a base map with AI. ChatGPT is helping me make this map because I don't kind of know what I'm doing, but AI does now. So I'm using ChatGPT to make this engine run. Well, we got it to run yesterday, but I'm just calibrating all the sensors and stuff, so we can have like proper readings on oil pressure, fuel pressure, oil temperature, all kind of stuff. So let's see how it does. What's going on, guys? I'm back and we have some very important stuff to do. The car needs to leave from here on Thursday. I'm taking it to a guy who will make all the boot pipes. So I need to bring the car there with a trailer. So I'm trying to get everything sorted out as quick as possible. And right now we're sorting out the coolant lines. As you can see, the top coolant line, it's not optimal when it's all bent like that. I bought these kind of adapters, so now the hose ain't bent at all and the coolant flow is good enough. So we will make the same thing to the upper one than in the lower one. So firstly we need to pull out the pipe from here, like this. And now we will take our plastic 90-degree connector. We're gonna cut the hose to our desired length. So we take a marker, cut it there. The cutting is the most scary part because I want to get it straight. And try not to cut the wiring because it's finally working. And we can't throw this away because this needs to still go like inside. Then we will hack two, push it inside. Tight as shit. So I cut the hose and installed this 90-degree connector, and then I installed like a hose clamp. Now it's looking like this. Nice and tight. Now we need to do the inside one. This is the more trickier part. I finally got it pushed in all the way, and now we just need to tighten it. No, that's all done. Not the prettiest possible, but it will work for sure. Looks almost kinda OEM. Psych! There will be a heater core inside, but I don't have it yet. And I need to bleed the coolant system and drive it a little. So we're just gonna leave them long inside and connect with this. So it just like routes from the inside and goes back out. But I will definitely get a heater core when the season gets colder, maybe even sooner, I don't know yet. Now we got one problem sorted out. I was planning on doing the exhaust and downpipe today, but I got this, and as you can see, it's way too big. Maybe it's easier if I show it with the gasket. That is not gonna work. So I guess we're not making the downpipe today. I already have the pipes cut. It will look something like this. Nothing special here. But then we could get the car to idle better because we have our O2 sensor here, but nowhere to plug it. Against all the odds, we got the V-band. So now we need to remove the exhaust housing of the turbo so we can weld this on. So the downpipe will go like something like this. So the V-band will be here and the downpipe will go from that. So now we need to get the exhaust manifold off and to the floor so we can weld this on. So this is how my welding setup looks. So we got the exhaust side here, we got our welder, and we got the V-band. And some filler, but this is only a camera stand. The plan is to weld it there. And I heard that you should tighten this up so it won't bend that much. So let's do that. We got a mask on, we got the V-band in place, so now we just start welding and hopefully anything won't catch on fire. I really hope that.
I'm not going anywhere. I get high from your case and your body when we stare up. Baby, I don't know what I love. Is it 'cause my heart's been broken? I don't know if you trust. Baby, tell me the opposite. Baby, I don't know what I love. Is it 'cause my heart's been broken? I don't know if you trust. Baby, tell me the...
It's way later now than the last time I filmed. We did something terrible. I accidentally welded a little bit of the V-band to the housing. And it was in like this spot, so I couldn't cut it with an angle grinder. I had to do some things I'm not even gonna talk about. But it took like fucking 2 hours. But it will do the job, but it won't be looking the prettiest possible. Now I need to put the camera to the charge, and I'm gonna wait the housing to cool out and cool down a little bit, and I'm gonna put it in there and start mocking up the downpipe. Now I kinda got the whole exhaust setup mounted up. The downpipe is gonna look something like that. And now you're gonna see the exhaust tips. Hell yeah! It's gonna look something like that. Like last year. Big blast pipes. But now I'm gonna weld the downpipe.
Am I the one for you? You're not by my side. I feel like skipping town. You're not down to ride. Cancel all the plans. Yeah, you make me cry. Drive my Volvo off a mountain, Beetlejuice style. Yeah, I hate life, but that's alright. Miss your fingers down my back in the nighttime. You're so bad for me, but that's alright. I know you're coming back in the morning when I'm just fine. Am I the one for you? Cancel all the plans. Am I the one for you? Cancel all the plans.
Now after a proper cleaning, we need to install this turbo back. So I'm gonna put it back together real quick.
Skipping town, you're not down to ride. Cancel all the plans. Yeah, you make me cry. Drive my Volvo off a mountain, Beetlejuice style. Yeah, I hate life, but that's alright. Miss your fingers down my back in the nighttime. You're so bad for me, but that's alright.
The downpipe is ready and on its place. I just made sure everything fits and I think it works just fine. If I'm being honest, I'm not happy with this at all, but this is what we are gonna go with this season. But this is my first time building this car and having a project this big. So I think it's normal to make some mistakes and not getting everything just the way you want it. Yeah, it's 1 AM now and I have work at 9 tomorrow, so I need to get something to eat and get to sleeping a little bit. This week I'm having Thursday and Friday off, so that's good for the project. After a short night and a long day of work, we are back. And today's mission is to finish up the exhaust and install a wideband O2 sensor into the downpipe. I got myself a big enough drill bit, well, hopefully big enough, and I'm gonna take the downpipe off and drill some holes in it. And here is the mark for O2 sensor. So we need a drill hole this size and just like this and weld it on. And now we got the O2 sensor. I used an old one so it won't warp or anything like that. So this is just trash. I'm not using my wideband. I finally got the car back on ground and on 4 wheels, because we are taking it tomorrow to another shop and they're gonna make all the boost pipes there. So I need to drive this car to the trailer, because if you see this, the entrance of my shop, it's pretty deep. It's not possible in my car without it running. So here it kinda is. I got some meaty rear tires and meaty front tires, so the ride height is fucking terrible. It's like 1 meter off the ground. Starting to look pretty good. Now I'm trying to drive it 1 meter forwards and 1 meter backwards. So let's see how that goes. I'm really tired, but I'm very happy with the results and that the car is working, the clutch is working, the brakes are working, it's moving on its own. After 6 months, I'm feeling pretty happy. The plan is take it to the welder tomorrow and get all the boost pipes done. After that, we're gonna bring it back here. We are starting to prep it for paint, and hopefully after this weekend the car will be also painted. And I kind of booked the dyno time for early next week so it can be tuned. But yeah, that's about it.
Kato lifehack, ei tarvitse pyöritellä niin paljon. CBT82.